We'll guide you through how to fix problems when sharing and connecting your iPhone internet hotspot to your PC via a USB cable. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So hopefully to help this guide, you're then going to be able to go and get your iPhone internet working on your computer. So make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip anything, as you want to make sure you don't miss a step, which could be the problem of why it's not working. So without any further ado, let's go and get started. So how we're going to do this is we're going to walk you through the full process, troubleshooting as we go, just so we can go and mention things you should be going and checking. So without any further ado, let's go and get started. So what you need to do is we're going to come onto our iPhone like so. So let's go and plug it in. So go and grab the cable like so, and you want to go and plug it in like this. Then it should go and start charging. The first time you go and do this, you may go and get a pop-up about trusting the iPhone, but it's likely you've already done this because you tried to before. After you've gone and connected it like so, what we need to do is we need to come into the iPhone settings. So come and open up settings, scroll down and find the option for personal hotspot, as you can see. Now what you need to do is you need to go and switch on, allow others to join. Now the connection may go and drop out on the computer, but shortly you should reconnect and you should go and see this bar at the top here. And it should now go and be connected. Now if it isn't, do not worry. What you can do is press search at the bottom here and go and type in Apple devices. You can see I've got it there. Now, if you're in the situation of where you do have it and it's not working, don't worry. If you're in the situation where you don't have it and it's not working, you need to go and get it. So go and use another device which does have an internet connection. Maybe you can go to a friend's. On the other computer, what you can do is go and open a web browser, type in a web browser, Apple Devices Microsoft Store, download the installer from the browser, get a USB drive or external drive and go and put it on there. You can then go and plug that into this computer and you can go and install Apple devices. Then once you've got it installed, you can try unplugging and replugging and make sure that allow others to join is switched on. And then it should go and work when you go and plug it in and it should be connected. Once you've got it, hopefully it's working. If you're doing it still isn't, then press search at the bottom and you want to go and type in network connections. Go and find the connection in here. Just make sure that it's currently enabled. If it's currently disabled and it's grayed out, right click on it and press enable. And hopefully that'll go and solve it. If it still isn't working, the next thing you can do is go and press search at the bottom. Here you want to go and type in device manager. Go and click on it and it will go and open up. Then what you need to do is come into network adapters. Go and find Apple mobile device Ethernet, select it and you can right click on it and go and press update driver. Press browse my computer for drivers and press let me pick from a list. Go and select Apple mobile device Ethernet, press next. Go and wait for this to go and complete. Then it now has. Now, hopefully you'll go and work. You can try unplugging the device and reconnecting it and hopefully now it will.